I really like the layout of Google Drive, and also used it in my high school, so I kind of know how a lot of it works, but I personally make a separate folder for every class that I would be using it for. So if we click on my EDCI class, you can see that I have separate folders even inside that class just to keep organized. Like if you double click, you can see my pictures, or if we go back, theme documents, I only have one. But as we get more assignments, then I can just easily add those into here. And to create a new document, all you have to do is hit this new button in Google Doc. Then it pulls up a new page. I'm going to call it new doc. Type a little bit in there. And you can see that I can easily just hit the share button and type in either someone's name or email address to share it with them, or you can turn on the shareable link and then send the link to people and then they can open it that way, but they can type things in to you and everything that way. Also, there's this move to button right here, and it will pull up, like I'm already in my EDCI folder because that's where I hit new, but you can easily send it to somewhere else. So if I send it to assignments, move, then if I go back to my drive, if I click on assignments, you can see my new docs right there and I can open it back up that way. So it's just really convenient and easy to move things and easily organized. So that's why I kind of choose Google Docs as mine.